This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elisha George Nelson. Motivated seller. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath Cali floor plan built in 2021 offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and Florida living. Enjoy the spacious open concept layout, ideal for entertaining or relaxing with family. Step outside to your fully fenced backyard featuring a beautiful pergola, perfect for enjoying Central Florida's amazing fall weather. Conveniently located near Bayside Lakes and close to most shopping and dining options, No HOA means more freedom for your lifestyle, and pets are welcome. Don't miss this move-in-ready home with plenty of space inside and out. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.